Hello to YouTube. Today I have a bike check starting from the front to back. I'm just kidding. Alright. Today YouTube we have a 2011 Kink launch starting front to back. First I have red ODI long neck grips, super softs, ODI bar ends, shaded voltage bars, 8.25 rise, Primo annihilator V2 stem in red, Fit Shiv 2 forks in black, profile mini, polished, Odyssey quadrant black rim, Kink launch frame, Sean Sexton pivotal seat in black, profile cranks in black, mission pedals, animal sprocket bound boa sprocket, shadow in black, shadow interlock chain in red, demolition rim in red, laced with shadow spokes and Odyssey hub, and I'm riding demolition momentum tires. Let's see that. Momentums, yeah. Alright, thanks for watching YouTube, and also here's my hub sound. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. That's my bike check.